Hello everyone, I am Anne and welcome to my channel, Little Frenchie in Big Texas. Today we're in the kitchen and we are going to prepare a very easy, quick meal, spaghetti with meat sauce, but with a special meat. Stay tuned. So this is the ground beef we got from Monica and Eric. Blends Promised Land Ranch. So defrosting here before making pasta sauce and cooking with pasta. So here's my ground beef, mostly defrosted, mostly. Let's try to open it nicely if I can, otherwise it's just gonna be bad, not so nice. All right, here you go. So this is supposed to be some pretty lean ground beef. Yeah, easy pack as it says. It is very easy. Here's my beef. Let's warm it up. Now let's add a bit of spices, some salt, some pepper, a bit of everything we have here, some garlic powder. Let's go. It is extremely lean beef. Others I buy at the store, I can see the fat around. This is not the case here. You can definitely tell the difference between some grass-fed beef and the ground beef you buy at the store. This is extremely lean. So what we're gonna do next is add the sauce, which here is not a homemade sauce. It is one from the store, but one we all like in the house. So let me add the sauce. And then we're just gonna have to get the spaghetti ready. Oh. Well, we might not get that one. Oh, yes. Woo. Took some strength here. We're gonna let it cook a bit, and during that time we're gonna boil the water for the spaghetti. Ta-da-da-da! It is ready. The last touch here will be a tiny bit of Parmesan cheese on the top. Well, it's my tiny bit. It's quite a lot. I love Parmesan cheese. Bon appétit!